So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I am just finishing up plowing. We got a little nuisance snow, maybe 2 or 3 inches. It's actually starting to snow again right now. Not too hard though. Now tomorrow or the next day, I'm not even sure. I think we're supposed to get 5 or 6 inches, but I'm ready for spring. I am. I mean, I don't mind the snow, but this is pretty much all you do is clean up the snow, try to do a little something, clean up more snow, and it's pretty cold. Now it hasn't got as cold as what they said it was going to be. Today's like 20 degrees or something. I think this weekend though it's going to get real cold. We'll just have to wait and see. But right now I'm going to head back up to the house. I'm down on my mom's driveway right now, and I need to get my deer feeder set up. A lot of the neighbors have been feeding for quite some time, and it's that time of year. Not a lot of food out there for the deer right now, and we have an awful lot of deer. So I have a big Boss Buck 650-pound feeder. I've got some corn, and then I got some protein pellets I can mix with it, and should be pretty good. What I'll do, I'll put a camera up by that feeder. Most of the bucks are probably dropped their antlers by now. There may be still some hanging on, but neighbor Cliff, he had 21 deer there the other night, and it's kind of funny. A lot of the neighbors have feeders up, and you can just see in the woods there's like lines of trails, and the deer just kind of pop in for a little bit, snack a little bit, move on. But yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll put that feeder out by the mini cabin, put a trail camera on it, and I don't think it'll take long at all. They'll be there to start eating. But anyway, I will report back in just a bit. Archie! So it's a snow day. The dogs are enjoying it, as you can tell.
And it totally looks like snow from like the Lifetime movies that they present, or a Hallmark movie. Like the snow is falling ever so gently and light.
Yeah, just getting some flurries now. This morning now it was snowing pretty hard. Yeah. But just another nuisance snow. But Archie helped me do some plowing there today, which, tell him about Ruger. Ruger's not a fan, is he, of any vehicle?
No, it's just not his thing. He doesn't see that as a
He doesn't like riding in a truck or anything. And Piper, she can kind of take it or leave it, but Archie...
Rook probably came from some sort of Amish heritage background.
Yeah, doesn't like vehicles at all.
Doesn't believe that's a necessity. Piper, she could take it or leave it. Piper wants to be in control, and then if she doesn't get in control, she pouts. So. Yeah.
But Archie seemed to like it. A few times when, you know, you're hitting bumps and the blade's making a lot of noise, he looked at me wondering if I knew what I was doing and stuff. But yeah, he seemed to like it. I'm going to go get the deer feeder, and then I'm going to take it out to the mini cabin, load it up, and we'll put a camera out there and see what's happening. But neighbor Cliff, I mentioned earlier, he had like 21 of them in his feeder the other day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Get in line.
Yeah.
Now Rue he does enjoy making snow angels, dog angels. Dog angels. He loves that. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Yeah, Rue just had a birthday.
Yeah, how old is Ruger? 8?
8. I'm embarrassed to say we all had to double check.
Yeah, Ruger's 8.
7, 8, is he 9?
Piper's 6.
Piper's 6. Archie will be 1 in March, so coming up.
Yeah, as you can tell, he's 1.
We might need to get him interested in hockey.
don't know if you can see way down there. I've counted at least a dozen so far crossing that little opening. There goes another one. Probably at least 12 or 13. Here comes another one. That's 14. And then on the way out here, I saw a couple in the valley there, kind of down in the scenic overlook there, that area that we call that. I've seen at least 20 deer since I came out here. I saw some on my way out, and then I saw another 12 or 13 down below there. But they're definitely on the move looking for food. Like I mentioned earlier, I know a lot of the neighbors have feeders out. There's probably 2 within a half mile where I'm standing right now that I know of. Maybe a couple more over next to that road over there, I'm not sure. But I'm going to head back to the house right now, and we'll get 400 or 500 pounds and put in this one. And I'm thinking what I may do this weekend is maybe Sunday evening, something like that. Come out here to the mini cabin, bring a good camera with me, and we'll see what's happening out here. But I'm sure the deer will be into this one. Most of the people that have feeders are right in their backyards, so the deer will feel a lot more comfortable out here in the middle of the woods. And I think if we set up in that mini cabin with the camera, we should see some pretty neat stuff. It's funny watching them. It is. They kind of play around, run around, and sometimes there's an old mean doe tries to keep everybody else in line. It's pretty entertaining watching them. So we'll plan on that this weekend. We'll definitely have snow because it's not going to warm up any. But anyway, I'll head back over to the house right now, get some feed. We'll come back and fill this up and set up a camera. All right, I got about 300 pounds of corn in there, mixed with about 200 pounds of protein pellets. So that'll be good. But yeah, I think that's what we'll do. This weekend, we'll come out here to the mini cabin, bring a good camera out here, set it up on a tripod, and we'll see what happens out here. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video. Like I always say, if you enjoyed these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.